Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn text blending effect. Open a new document. Define the size as shown in video. Change background color to black. Now add text. Change the font color to white. Increase the size using transform controls. Use stencil format for better result. Align text to the center. Right-click on the text layer and select blending options. Select gradient overlay. Choose the gradient and color of your choice as shown in video. Hit OK. Now go to bevel and emboss option. Change the values as shown in video. Press OK. Make a copy of text layer 3 times by pressing Ctrl J. Select all 3 layer holding Ctrl key. Go to blending mode and select dissolve. Again select all 3 layers holding Ctrl key. Right click and select rasterize type. Keep all 3 layers selected. Right click and select merge layers. Now right-click on Merged Layer and go to Filter tab. Select Radial Blur from Blur option. Change values as shown in video. See the changes. Change the opacity value. On same layer go to Blending options and select Linear Dodge. Increase the opacity to 100. Select Merged Layer and go to Filter tab. Select Radial Blur from Blur option. Follow the steps. Add a new layer above background layer. Go to Gradient and select a gradient of your choice. Drag the cursor over layer to apply the gradient. Drag once more. The effect is ready. Did you find it interesting and helpful? Then don't forget to comment what you want to learn next, we will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.